My name's Steve Roberts. I'm a lecturer at Leeds College Building in brickwork. In bricklaying, we teach people how to work safely, teach people how to work with bricks, blocks, select tools. Working with bricks and blocks, we can build houses, garden walls, porches, conservatories. The courses we offer are study programs, apprenticeships. With an apprenticeship, you need an employer, or we offer adult programs as well. So while you're studying at college, we have opportunity to do in-house competitions, as well as external builder bricklayers and skill building. At Leeds College of Building, we've got fantastic staff with lots of years of experience. We've got the best facilities and one of the biggest workshops in the UK. From all the people in the bricklaying department, we'd like to see you come and join us, come and study with us. We'd like to see you in the future.